Moxley here, once again at the Handlebars.com, where we're going to show you something really interesting today. These brackets. Alright, now today I have something special for you guys. I made these brackets to fit onto the front end of your Can-Am. These are going to be the tools you need right here. You're going to need thread blocker blue. You're going to need a 1/4 inch wrench. You're going to need your 3/16 Allen and a Phillips head screwdriver. You're also going to need these hex nut screws, and they're M6 1.0 by 20, and these are the threaded ones that you need for the side of your speed control. Next, you're going to need a windshield. Now, I don't know about you, but the ones out there that are made for the Can-Am Ryker, I think look like Old Man Hubbard. And I don't want to look like Old Man Hubbard, I want to look cool. So what I did was, I bought me one from Amazon off of a 350 Ninja or a 300 Ninja, and I got this. And this is what we're putting on today. Now, the first thing you need to do is locate where you're going to place them. And on this speed box here, you have two side openings right there that are already pre-threaded, and they're on both sides of your module, and that's where we're going to hook up these brackets. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use your thread locker blue medium, and you just put a little bit on it. You ain't gonna have a lot. You want to install it face out, where the curve of your bracket points down. Put this one on, more thread lock. Now, after you put both of these tabs on, now we're going to go to the second phase. Get your 1/4 20s, 3/4, and put a little bit of thread lock on them, and get them ready for install. And what you're going to do now is we're going to put these two brackets onto there. I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, now once you got the bolts through, you'll just want to snug them up. Alright, your next phase is you're going to have pre-drilled holes here in your shield. You're going to use the two bottom holes to line up into your bracket here, and then we're going to bolt that on. We have the new brackets along with our new windshield, and as you can see, there's not much to do. There's 4 bolts to put on, plus these 2 right here that hold your shield on, and voila, you're done. Now you got something cool to look at instead of some old man Winters looking windshield.